Are you tired of feeling stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, wondering how to enjoy life now while also building a secure financial future? Millennials are redefining financial independence, and in this video, I'm sharing practical tips to help you achieve it too. Number 1. What is financial independence? Financial independence isn't just about retiring early. It's about having the freedom to live life on your terms. Imagine being able to take a year off, start your dream business, or travel the world, all without worrying about money. For millennials, this means rethinking traditional paths and using tools like budgeting, investing, and side hustles to build financial freedom. Number 2, the Millennial Money Challenge. But let's be real, millennials face unique financial struggles. Between student loan debt, skyrocketing housing costs, and wages that haven't kept up, achieving financial independence can feel impossible. The good news? With the right strategies, you can take control of your finances and start building a future you love. Step 1. Master your budget. The first step is to take control of your spending. Start by following the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track your expenses. Cutting unnecessary subscriptions or dining out less can free up cash for bigger goals. Step 2. Tackle debt. Strategically, debt is one of the biggest barriers to financial independence. Prioritize high-interest debt like credit cards, using the avalanche method to save money on interest. Alternatively, the snowball method helps you stay motivated by clearing smaller debts first. Whichever you choose, consistency is key. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Life happens. Unexpected car repairs, medical bills, or even job loss. That's why an emergency fund is essential. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Automate your savings so it grows without you even thinking about it. Step 4. Start investing. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Begin with employer-sponsored retirement accounts like a 401k and make sure to grab any matching contributions. That's free money. If you're self-employed or need more flexibility, look into Roth IRAs. Apps like Robinhood and Acorns make it easy to invest with as little as $5. Step 5. Side hustles and passive income. Millennials are pros at the side hustle game. Whether it's freelancing, running an Etsy shop, or starting a blog, additional income streams can help you reach financial independence faster. Don't forget about passive income opportunities like renting out space on Airbnb, dividend investing, or creating an online course. Achieving financial independence may feel like a long road, but every small step gets you closer. Start budgeting, tackle that debt, and invest in your future. Remember, it's not about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about creating a life you truly love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help more people on their journey to financial freedom.